mi bellas. Okay, so as you see, I've completed this side of my face. I kind of wanted to use, or try to use, nothing but NYX or NYX products. Just to show you that you can have a nice, cute look without spending so much money on prestige products. So yes, I am going to be using the Sugar Trip 24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. Some products, not all of them of course, but I have these little goodies. This one is the highlighter, there's a blush, and then there's some eyeshadows. I'm going to show you a pretty basic look that can make you go from bland to bam. You feel me? Okay. Keep watching and stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my NYX Micro brow pencil. And this is what it looks like. It's really tiny, you guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and pencil my brows in. So yes, I will be using NYX products, but or NYX products, but I also will be using LA Girl, and then I'm trying to think. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to use my banana powder. Like, I am addicted to that thing. So I will be using my Nye Banana Powder. And once that part is done, I'm going to go ahead and conceal underneath, not above, because unfortunately the concealer that I will be using is much fairer than my skin tone, and that's because I want the eyeshadow to stand out. And as you see, you guys, I've only used 2 eyeshadows at the top, and then at the bottom I used 2 only as well. So I'm just going to brush that in. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and put this up now. I don't think I'm going to use it unless I mess up, which we're hoping that I don't, right? So then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that underneath my brow, go ahead and put that on my lid. Just going to cover the whole thing, yeah, feel me? And like I said, you guys, I'm using, all the products that I'm using are very inexpensive. I think the only pricey thing that I will be using is my Nye, and I ended up getting the 3 ounce, so that was like $25. Alright, so now this angle brush here, Emax Design, I ended up getting a generic one. This is just something that I'm going to use, but I'm trying to think which brands have good ones. Morphe has good one, or Morphe. Wet n Wild has good ones. I'm trying to think who else. Yeah, I just buy like the cheaper ones. Elf has a really good one that you can use. So yeah, to all my beginners out there, you don't need to spend so much money on products, and not even to just beginners. I mean, literally, you don't have to spend so much money on your products. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this brush. It's also for concealer. I use this here to blend out my concealer, and it's just a good thick blending tool. Okay, so as you see, I look super pale above my lid, but that's the look that we're going for. So that is complete. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with, is this it? Nope, that's not it. Gonna go ahead and use one of these little thingamabobbers. This thingamabobber is the from that kit, the Sugar Trip kit, and it's with Mocha. This is the color, and I'm gonna go in with a generic blending brush that I got from, I think it was Ipsy, when I did have the subscription, which I don't anymore. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna go and put that in my crease, and even above my crease, try to get that color out there. This color is so pretty, super cute. I love this color. And what I did here, you guys, I went ahead and tried to do like a halo effect, something super easy and simple. And I did close that out at the end. So there's that. See? Super easy, right? Okay, that's all I did. So now, the same brush, you want to make sure you clean it, right? And I'm going to go in with Sweet Tooth now. And I'm going to put Sweet Tooth, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and wet it, which I'm going to use my Badescu spray. And I'm just going to pat that in the center. And put as much as you want on there. I mean, bam! Glow, baby, glow! Yes. Let me stop. I ain't gonna stop. You can't make me. Y'all, this cold has been kicking my butt. So, I'm just gonna go back in with whipped mocha, and I'm just gonna blend that in so that way I don't have any harsh lines. And even on this side. Okay, so now that that is complete, I'm going to go in with my Candy Cloud. It's a highlighter. I'm going to go in with my Morphe. It's my M507 brush. This is a small crease brush, but guess what? I'm going to use that for my brow bone, and I'm just going to put that up there. So you see, like, that was super easy, right? Something super easy, super simple, something that you can do. If I can do it, you can do it. So, on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and start on my bottom, under my eye. And I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this one is Creamy Beige, which I'm almost running out of. But, anyways, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to go in with my concealer brush here and blend that underneath the lid. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because I want the colors to be vibrant. So I'm going to go in with the Mocha, whipped mocha, and I'm going to use that same blending brush that I've been using. And just put that underneath the waterline. I am also going to go in with this other color. It's a purple. This one is In Deep Trouble. It's like a deep dark purple. And with the small crease brush, the Morphe M507, I'm going to go ahead and go right near the waterline just to give it a hint of color. There we go. See? Cute, simple, easy, quick, bam. So now I'm done with the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to use my Maybelline Great Lash. Retro, you guys. Come on, retro. And I'm just going to go ahead and prep my eyelashes for the falsies. I want to let you guys know, so I can't really leave a description on where I got these lashes from. But I will say, AliExpress, these lashes, baby, baby, inexpensive. Literally, seriously, inexpensive. Check it out. AliExpress. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this on, apply this, and I will be back. Okay, so now that that is on, I'm going to go ahead and do this side of my face. Obviously, I don't have foundation on this side, but this side looks much smoother. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX, or NYX, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. This color is Classic Tan. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my foundation brush. From Do Care, or DU Care, I don't know, off of Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. You should check it out. And I'm going to go ahead and start. You see how orangey that looks compared to my skin color, right? But you'll see. Look. And like I said, I'm using all NYX products. That way you can see that you don't need to spend a fortune to look cute. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the creamy beige, and I'm going to set that underneath. I already did that side. I did that side already. Yes. So I'm going to grab my beauty blender. Real Techniques has a really good one. This one here came in an Ipsy bag, which I am no longer subscribed with. So, yeah. And just going to set that. This is the fun part. I'm going to grab a really small beauty blender or whatever sponge. Can't call it beauty blender if it's not a real beauty blender, right? I don't care. And I'm gonna, oh, look how that, bro, it's like better than, you know what, I ain't gonna say it. I ain't gonna say it. There we go. Bam. You know what, y'all, and I didn't put it on the other side, but I just wanted to show y'all. So I'm going to let that sit. And the reason why I'm going to let it sit is because I'm going to show you at the end on how easy it is to wipe this off. Like, it comes off and you don't have to worry about flashbacks. So, look, I'm just saying. Okay, and I have the NYX 3-Step to Sculpt. And this one is light. And it has your banana powder, which obviously I didn't use. You have a highlighter and you have the bronzer. I thought I was going to sneeze. Thank you. I'm going to use the bronzer and just do that here in circular motions. You want to go upwards, and I'm going to go ahead and just do this here. Because you know I got a fat face. It's going to change soon though, baby. Bam. Bam. Alright, so now that that's done, and like I said, I am using all NYX products. I am going to go ahead and use this beautiful blush that is in Lolipop Hop. And bam. I love it. I freaking love it. For my highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use my Candy Cloud Real Technique fan brush here that I'm going to use for highlight, and just put that there. This is a powder brush by e.l.f. So I'm going to go in with that and just wipe that underneath. And you want to do soft strokes and then even under here. And that is it, you guys. My highlighter didn't go anywhere. My hair is crazy, I know, don't judge. So bam. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and pencil in with my NYX Suede matte lip liner. And we're just going to mimic our lip shape. And this one is, what color is this? Copenhagen. And I'm just going to pencil my whole lip in with it. Bam. And the reason why I do that is so that my lipstick can stay on longer. And I'm going to go in with my NYX lingerie. This is a baby. And what color is this? I don't even know the color. Deep Rooted. We're going to try that and see how that looks. So there is that. That actually came out pretty. I really like that color. So I'm going to go ahead and just set my makeup with this setting spray. It's the Badescu. It's a refresher. It's rose water facial spray, but I also use it as a setting spray. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video and this tutorial. And just to show you, NYX is just as good as any other brand. So don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button so that you know when I'm posting. Thank you, mi bellas.